Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 32. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part drawing. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we will make this profile on the right side plane according to the dimensions. Then extrude it up to given dimensions. Next, we make this profile on the front face and extrude this from the solid. Then we will make this semicircular part and will make this M16 tapping. Our 3D model should be completed. Let's start modeling. Select the right side plane for the sketch. Take a corner rectangle tool. We start sketching this base point. The rectangle should be 35 by 180. Draw the rectangle from the origin point. Like this way. Enter 35 mm width of the rectangle. And 180 mm length of the rectangle. Draw another rectangle from this corner point. The rectangle should be 28 by 56. Draw the rectangle from this corner point. Like this way. Enter 56 mm width of the rectangle. And 28 mm length of the rectangle. Draw another rectangle from this corner point. The rectangle should be 80 by 32. Draw the rectangle from this corner point. Like this way. Enter 80 mm width of the rectangle. And 32 mm length of the rectangle. Now we draw this arc according to this top corner point. Take the circle tool and select the center of the circle approximately on this vertical line. Select this corner point for the second point of the circle. Take the Smart Dimension tool and give the dimension for the circle. Radius 28 into 2. So its diameter becomes 56. Now we draw this step. Its height 50 mm from the base. Take Line tool and draw a line from this quadrant point of the circle. Approximately draw to the downward. Then draw a line straight to the left side up to this vertical line. Set dimension 50 mm between this horizontal line and origin point. Take a trim tool and trim unwanted edges from the sketch. And make a clear sketch as given. Like this. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Extrude this profile with the mid-plane option. Enter the extruding value of 70 mm. See the preview and click on OK. Now we make this rectangular sketch on this face. Select this face for the sketch. Draw a corner rectangle on the bottom edge, like this way. Give the dimension for the width of the rectangle. 19 mm. Now, give the dimension from the outer edge to a vertical line. 19 mm. Similarly, give the dimension from this vertical line to the outer edge. 19 mm. Draw this another rectangle which is width is 22 and length dimensions mentioned here from the outer body. Draw a corner rectangle on the top line. Like this way. Give the dimension for the width of the rectangle. 22 mm. Now, give the dimension from this vertical line to the outer edge. 22 mm. Similarly, give the dimension from this vertical line to the outer edge. 22 mm. The sketch is done. Ignore the trimming step. Take Extrude Cut tool from the Feature tab. Here multiple profiles are detected. Select both profiles. Select through all options for the cutout. See the preview and click on OK. Now we make this semicircular part. Select this face for the sketch. Oops! Sketch face hide because of this front part of the solid. Simply rotate the view. Select Section feature and set the front plane. Drag and adjust the section view. Like this way. Click on OK after set the section view. Press Ctrl+8 key to making sketch face normal. Take Circle tool and get tracking reference from this midpoint of this line. Approximately place the center point of the circle here. Enter value 16 into 2, so its diameter becomes 32. Take a Smart Dimension tool and set the height of this circle from this edge. Set dimension between this edge and this circle. 25 millimeters. Now draw the line sketch from the quadrant point to this top edge. Then draw 32 millimeters line to the right side. Then joint this quadrant point and escape the command. Take a trim tool and trim unwanted edges from the sketch, and make a clear sketch as given. Like this. Take Extrude tool from the Feature tab. Switch the direction and enter the extruding value 28 millimeters. See the preview and click on OK. For tap 16, we will make a hole of diameter 16. Select this face for the sketch. Draw the circle of diameter 16 with the same center of this arc. Take Extrude Cut tool from the Feature tab. Select through all options for the cutout. See the preview and click on OK. Now we will make an internal thread of M16. Select the Thread feature. Ignore this notification. Select this hole for the thread location. Enter the thread length 28 millimeters. Select the Thread Type Metric tab. Select the thread size M16 into 1.5 pitch. See the preview and make sure we select the Cut Thread option for the internal thread. Click on OK. See, our tap 16 is done. Turn off the section view. Filleting required the edges with a radius of 2 as shown in diagram. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model, as you like or as per your requirement. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. As soon as possible I'll answer you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.